Let's do this again.
Welcome to today's episode of Enjoying Life at Home. We have 3 grandkids. They live in Seattle. You would never guess that by looking at Tina. She's much too young to have 3 grandkids.
I am.
However, when they come home, we love to hang out, make memories, and not just feed them sugar because they tend to bounce off the walls. So Tina's come up with this brilliant idea of making an owl with vegetables.
Yes.
And the kids have fun making it. They have fun eating it. She's going to show you how today on Enjoying Life
At home.
Ooh, ooh.
How easy this was to assemble. I made 3 rows of cucumber for the body. I took some tomatoes to fill that body out, yellow pepper for the feathers, and some carrots, little legs for my owl. I layered the carrots around the eyes, put a couple of bell peppers at the top for ears, put a couple of little black cups here. You know, you can use these disposable cups like when you're bringing home from a to-go order. Just save them, wash them out, and reuse them. They're perfect for this. You can use blue cheese or ranch or Caesar dressing. 2 cherry tomatoes in for the eyes. Voila, it's the Hoooooo owl. I mean, how brilliant is this? Makes a great presentation for a party, and the grandkids are gonna love it, and I love it.
Okay, so there you have it. All it takes is a few vegetables. Oh, look at that, baby.
I mean, who doesn't want to munch on that Hoooooo owl, right?
So until next time, we're enjoying life at home. We trust you are too. We'll see you. We'll be back. I gotta go.
How do you enjoy life at home?
Share your stories, tips, and pictures with us.
Email us at tina@tinakeil.com.
And if you or anyone you know is even thinking of buying or selling a home,
We would love to help.
until next time,
We're the Keil team.
We deliver results
That move you.